When you get the Heighten, you upgrade your RAM to a massive 10-inch HD touchscreen display. And our kit cleverly takes that display and mounts it on the dash of your RAM so it looks like it rolled off the showroom floor with the Heighten installed. The Heighten adds a vehicle info app. Here we can see things like tire pressure and door status. Also, check engine lights will appear here. We see lots of gauges for the RAM. We can adjust coolant temperature, battery voltage, fuel pressure, intake temperature. There's also performance gauges that show 0 to 60, 60 to 0, and best quarter mile time. Here in the user settings screen, we have a low tire pressure threshold warning. We can choose where we want that indicator to pop up. If your RAM's equipped with automatic climate controls, the Heighten's going to add an automatic climate control screen. Here you can see your HVAC functions and options. You can use the manual controls in your RAM, or you can use the touchscreen features of your Heighten. Your RAM comes with a 3-band EQ, bass, mid-range, and treble. The Heighten gives you a 15-band EQ, so you get a lot more customization over the sound in your RAM. Not only that, but we give you crossover for front, rear, and sub, allowing you to adjust the frequency, the level, and the slope. If you're really particular about your sound and you want to dial it in just right, select the time correction page. Here you can adjust the individual's listening distance to each speaker. This adjusts the timing of the audio so it reaches the listener at the same time. It's a pretty cool feature if you really want to tweak the audio. There's also preset equalizers you can just touch and select, so you get custom sound in your RAM. Super easy. The Heighten has a built-in 4-channel power amplifier with a lot more power than the factory radio, so you're going to get a lot better sound quality right off the bat. We also have 6 channels of 4-volt RCA pre-outs, so if you want to add aftermarket amplifiers, we're ready to expand the audio system in your RAM, no problem. The Heighten also has easy subwoofer control. Turn the subwoofer output on, you can switch the phase from 0 to 180, and you can also easily adjust the level by touching and dragging. The Heighten also adds Android Auto and Apple Carplay, so you can connect your phone, you can send and receive messages and phone calls, listen to podcasts and music, and use your phone's navigation apps, all without touching your phone. The Heighten has a total of 4 camera inputs, so it's ready to retain your factory reverse camera and cargo camera if equipped with either or both of those, and add blind spot cameras or a front camera. Because we're connected to the CAN bus and we use pack integration technology, we can pull turn signal information from the CAN bus and use that to turn on the blind spot cameras. We can also look at the transmission and the speed data and use that to activate a front camera. The Heighten also features a micro SD card slot. You can purchase separately a micro SD card from iGo, insert that into the Heighten, and now you get turn-by-turn navigation and off-road maps without the need for a cell phone signal. With the Heighten, your RAM is completely transformed and upgraded with lots of great new features.